Hi, and welcome to Bytes of Inspiration with Code Savvy, a video series for anyone interested in computer science education, centered around sharing quick tips, ideas, and resources that you can take and use with your students right away.
Today, we're going to learn how to use Twine, which is a free open source resource that allows you to combine creative writing, algorithmic thinking, and gaming. And the best part, it's so easy that your students will be able to get up and running with it in less than 2 minutes. Hi, everyone. I'm Mike Smart. I'm an innovation facilitator with Intermediate School District 287 in Minnesota. I have a passion for coding, learning through play, and design thinking. Let's get started. First up, what is Twine? Well, Twine is a free and open source resource that allows anyone to create interactive fiction. If you're wondering what interactive fiction is, think back to those choose your own adventure books where you'd get to the bottom of page 38 and then make a decision that would take you off to a completely different place in the story. Now, why might you use this? Well, maybe you're a language arts teacher that's looking to integrate some algorithmic thinking and coding into your curriculum. Or maybe you're a teacher who has students that are looking for fun projects to do. Or maybe you're teaching a coding class and the students would like to get into gaming, but you have no idea how to get started. The best way to learn Twine is to actually go make a Twine story. So let's go to twinery.org and create our first story. I'd invite you to join me in this. Open up a new browser window to twinery.org and follow along, because the best way to learn it is to do it, and it's also really easy. Once you're at twinery.org, your screen will look like this. Now you can download a free Windows or Mac version, but for right now, just click it on Use It Online in the top right corner. If it's your first time here, you're going to get this screen about telling you more, but just click skip because I'll tell you more. Because you haven't been to Twinery before, you're not going to have any stories, so let's click on the green plus story button to create our first story. Let's give our story a name. I'm going to call mine The Camping Trip, and then hit the green plus add button. We've created a story, but it only has one passage or page to the story. Let's double click on this page to edit it. Here's an unedited page. Now, every page needs three things: a title that goes where the untitled passage part is, some story text, and then some choices. Let's see how we add those. Here we see a page that I've filled out. I've got the title at the top called The Clearing. I've got some story text about a person who wakes up in the middle of a camping trip and has no idea what's going on. And then I've got two choices, which is to walk around and check your pockets. To make choices, we put them between double brackets. So notice that walk around and check your pockets are surrounded by double brackets. Once you've got this ready, click the X in the top right corner. Notice what's happened. Twine Engine has created two pages that have the exact names of the choices that you put in double brackets. So now it's just a matter of adding more pages and more choices. I'm going to do that, and let's come back and take a look at a story that's got a little bit more to it. Here's our story with a few more pages. Let's play it to see how it works. To play it, hover your mouse over the first page, the one with the little green rocket icon, and then click on the play button that pops up. Here's our story with some introductory text and our two choices. Let's click on Walk Around. We can see that Walk Around didn't turn out all that well. Let's check our pockets. I think by now you get the idea. You can imagine the limitless possibilities combined with your students' imagination. To save your story, click on the little black triangle in the bottom lower corner and then select Publish to File. This will download to your hard drive an HTML file that you can open up with Google or any other browser. At this point, you know enough to make a full story with Twine. But the cool thing about Twine is that you can add HTML, CSS, JavaScript, statistics, inventory, variables, if-then statements. So if you've got students who want to dig a lot deeper, they can go so much further with the tool. We've added a link in the description down below to an article that talks about how to get started with these things. Thanks for watching. I hope you found Twine interesting. And what's your story?
We hope you'll tune in again next week for another Bytes of Inspiration video with Code Savvy. Feel free to reach out to us on social media and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. Thanks, and we'll see you again next week. Bye!